When the engine is cool, turn off the fuel, disconnect the boot from the spark plug, put it in a place where it can't jump the gap. A rule of thumb for tipping mowers: if your mower has a paper filter like this one, you'll want the paper filter facing upwards. Flipping a mower the wrong way can cause problems because fluids will flow into the air filter and the carburetor. To prevent the paint on the handle from being marred, I put a piece of cardboard under it. The blades turn counterclockwise. The beveled edges of the blades face the direction of blade travel, and they are stacked in the same order as shown on the new blades box, so I know that the blades are installed correctly. The blades came as a set with a part number for the set. The manual gives individual part numbers for the blades, but not for the set. The last 6 digits of the part numbers are stamped on the blades, and I can verify I do have the correct blades. Base the 2 beveled edges upwards and in this direction. Place the smaller blade on top of the larger blade and line up the bolt holes. It should be offset like this. The smaller blade faces the mower, and the larger blade faces the grass. They are ready to install. I'll put them aside to use later. Do not remove the center bolt when changing the blade. I'll pre-treat the 2 bolts that I'm going to remove with PB Blaster penetrating oil. I'll use vice grips, and I'll clamp onto the deck and so that they're against the edge of the blade. So that you don't round off the bolt head, a 6.14 millimeter socket is recommended. Hopefully the ratchet, which the 6-point socket fits onto, will provide enough leverage to break the bolts loose. The bolt is turned counterclockwise to loosen it, and I'm going to squeeze and see if I can break this loose. Okay, I didn't have the hand strength for that. Let's try the big guns. The washers are concave, and when the bolt is tightened down, the shape of the washer applies pressure to the bolt head, preventing it from vibrating loose. Do not inadvertently flip these washers around. The shiny part goes against the bolt head. To tighten the bolts, move the vice grips to the other side of the blade. After snugging up the bolts with a ratchet, the Blade bolt torque in the manual is 36 to 43 foot-pounds. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, Know How Now, to find other videos, and thanks for watching.